morning, guys. I want to show you guys. We are sleeping in the other room. Just now I clean up because Sophia recently go to school. Ay naku, buhay nanay. Life is life. We sleep here in other room because here always lying off and on. Kaya dito kami natutulog in the other room. How are you all, guys? Kumusta ang lahat? Kumusta? Diba ganyan lang, guys? Because the other side is very hot. That is good only during for the winter. Kaya we decide to sleep this room. Magwalis-walis muna tayo, guys. Walis. Nilagyan ko pa ng banigas para sureness. Aya. Huwag nagtumba. How are you all, guys? Kumusta ang lahat? Because here, during summer we sleep beside because the electricity is on off. At least here, it's open. The other room inside, that is nice good during the winter time. Now soon the winter here again guys in Nepal. Oh my god, it's very cold, too much cold. I hate winter. Pero grabe ding init, sobra. It's too much hot, there is problem. Especially this Sophia. Sophia cannot make it in the hot. See guys, we're sleeping here, but this Sophia, see, all the magic ball, she keep it with her during the sleeping time. Ulit ba mga mother dyan? Because that is the work of the she buy in the school the magic ball with the daddy, and then I soak with the water. I did not mop this because yesterday evening I mop. During evening time I also clean up because this Sophia jumping always here and then bringing something. That's why before evening going to bed, I let them go outside and then I clean up again. Then so that in the morning, no need mop. Evening only I put it the mop. Diba? Yeah. Ay, nako. Life of nanay. You know guys, I have too much clothes to be fold, but yesterday is Saturday. And then, like I feel tired. I feel tired and that's why I did not do the folding the clothes. I decide later. Again, tomorrow is holiday here in Nepal. Again, no school. Again, the Sophia want to go to Tita Bella. Always tell Tita Bella, I want to go to Tita Bella house. No, maybe we will go in the Tita Bella tomorrow. Diba guys? And then, another again. It was evening time during only the mopping. Now here. I'm done this room. Okay, here you go. Dito kami guys na to. Yan. Sophia best friend. Hi Sophia best friend. During evening time, she will sleep for that. Here, our mounting kubo. Now I go another side because I need to hang the clothes again. Thank you for watching always guys for my video. Please support to each other. Ayusin ko muna to guys. I already cleaned up here. Pagpag muna natin ang broom. The broom is to be pagpag. I don't know, it's pagpag guys. Pagpag. Now, grabe init niya. Super hot. Oh my God. Still look at like this. Grabe init talaga. Super. Oh my God. Nakakaloka ang init. Now, magsampay tayo ng clothes guys. This is my clothes. Come with me to sampay the clothes. Ang haba, kailangan mag-jump. Nahulog na ating pantalon. Grabe, super init na guys. Kaya nagmamadali ako. Kapag Sophia will go to school. Actually, in the night I washed already this. And then I just transfer here. I transfer here to make it dry. Now going to dry na mommy. Brush. Oh, whose brush? Who brush? I don't know red one. Maybe that the one so no work. No, they're coming, guys. My two Marites. Dumating na si Marites ko. Oh, hi Marites. I do vlogging on this. Is my mommy, guys. Say hi, mommy. Na hi.
Oh, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, hi.
This is my mother-in-law who was just giving me the necklace and now she's came. Thanks God she's little okay. Oh, you walk, mommy, because before I saw them, no. Oh, now mommy is a good now. Oh, she knows. Before she using the stick now, she's okay. Now with the sun, oh, one my Marites. And then guys, I want to show you guys again. Oh my God, my husband bringing. I told you already, monkey, giraffe is balanced in this house. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 7 chicks. Oh, hi chicks. Hi. Yesterday, my husband bought this. And then how much this one? You buy? 850 rupees. And then in peso, magkano sa peso? I think 300. Oh, see? All the chicks. And then, of course, my ruby. I think you saw already this ruby. Ruby, my big marites in life. See, marites. My marites ruby. And then they bring, snow. Right, snow?
there.
Oh, no. See this, Wherever daddy is coming, always this ruby coming up with him. We become like twins. Huh? Ruby? Oh, kissing. Ruby! Hala. What is that one? Food. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please support each other. God bless. Now we will eat food because I think mom is hungry now. She need to drink medicine. Thank you. God bless. Love, love, love. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Be happy. Bye-bye.